So it's easy to expand your environment. So with, again, social media and... Yeah, yeah. But your environment is not just a geographical, physical thing. So your environment may be part of a Facebook group that you're in with other high-class athletes in there. It may be touching base with other people, and when you get the opportunity to, training with people at a higher level than you. So you can then start to manipulate, again, your environment, change your environment, as we talked about with accomplishments of performance to improve your self-confidence, change that environment to surround yourself with more successful people. Yeah, the old adage, the old cliche, you are the average of the 5 people that you surround yourself with. It's a cliche, but it's a cliche for a reason because there is a lot of validity to it. So you are able to modify your environment, not geographical, but globalization. It's easy for you to find people who are going to push you there and track your performance, track their performance as a team thing, because if everyone in this room here was part of a community who was trying to improve, if your job is to focus on making you better, and your job is to focus on making you better, and you're going to focus on Kyle, all of you is going to focus on yourselves. You have one person working on you, and maybe your coach. However, if your job is to make you and you and you and you and you and you and everyone else better, then you've got 22 people focusing on you, plus you, plus your coach. And if you're trying to make her better than you and you're trying to make her better than you, then it's going to go like this. But guess what? You both get better. So create an environment where that is the culture. It's something that I try and create where everyone's job is not to make themselves better, they've got to make everyone else better, and they are focusing on you.